mascara is definitely my ride or die makeup, and I love so much to curl my lashes before I apply it. No matter if it rains, no matter if it's shiny outside, you will see me wearing mascara. Also, the nice thing about mascara is that there are plenty of good options on the market, and they don't have to be expensive at all. In my opinion, the difference between a good mascara and a bad mascara, it's actually the brush. I love so much to use this type of brushes. They are quite small and you can easily apply the mascara and also go in between those small lashes. I used to be a huge fan of the waterproof mascaras because I have oily lids, and of course it was so annoying when you get those panda eyes. I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm talking about, but it's so annoying at the end of the day when you have to remove that mascara because you have to use all kinds of cleansing oils. So thank you so much to the person who invented tubing mascara. It makes such a huge difference to just remove the mascara with warm water and gentle pressure. Amazing. I also noticed that I love to use mascaras that add length to my lashes instead of using volumizing mascara. I think this is just a personal preference, so I would say that it's really important to try as many mascaras as possible, and once again make sure that you check out the brush because that's the most important thing. So yeah, definitely mascara is my ride or die makeup product. I'm super curious which one is yours. Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Cheers!